What's the date today?
Today is the 15th, February 15th.
2009? Okay.
Day after Valentine's Day.
Aw.
Thank you for a nice Valentine's night.
It was nice.
Share your water.
What?
Did you videotape yourself peeing?
Huh?
Did you videotape yourself peeing?
No. Are you guys giving her water?
Just need a little bit of water. A little bit more only. A little more. Okay, here you go.
Looks like the Serengeti part of this area. Whoa.
Let me take a shower so I can look decent while I'm hiking, and then you photograph it.
I'm sorry, but you don't shower before you hike, you shower afterward.
I have stuff to do. Things to do.
Oh, I can see the windmill from here. There it is. Turning.
Battery.
Worried since I was the only one here.
Come on, Luna, get in there.
What have I done? No, don't let her get in here.
She already fell in twice. The ice is thinner than the last time.
Dies.
She's not gonna freeze and die. I can get her out.
Yes, you told her. You told her.
Luna!
See if there's batteries in there.
I don't think. I don't know if I can see them in this. I see the orange with my eyes, but not with my. Where are they? Point them out. Point the fish out.
Over here. Fishing.
They're moving around in there.
I wonder if I can catch a fish with this.
I can't see them.
Video of the mountain with snow on it still.
I think this was the stick I got to see how deep it was. It is not as deep. Like the ice. Thick.
Should be a little more snow right now. We need a storm coming in.